Luke and Nate here with the Outdoor Boys YouTube channel, and for the next 4 days, we're exploring Alaska's frozen rainforests. We're camping in freezing temperatures, hunting for our food, discovering crashed military planes, flying over glaciers, and having a great time. All right, guys, welcome to Gustavus, Alaska. This is a small community at the mouth of Glacier Bay National Park and about a 20-minute flight west of Juneau. And like most places in Alaska, the only way you can get in and out of this community is by plane or boat. There's no roads outside of this community. Just slightly over 600 people live here in Gustavus. Gustavus? Okay, it's not Gustavus, it's Gustavus. I'm gonna make that mistake a lot in this video. Oh. Looks like we got a little place to eat. Let's go get some lunch. All right, where you going? Whoa. What did you guys do? Well, that's a big wolf. This restaurant is owned and operated by the school, and kids come here for class credit to learn work skills and stuff. All right. We actually got to meet the principal of the school and half the high school students. They were all really nice. I think this might be the town supermarket. It's nice being in places where you don't need to lock everything up. This is the only market in town, so everyone gets their groceries from here. Summer sausage. $6 for 1 gallon of milk. It's not bad. It's a good price. Nathan lost one of his gloves in the airport, so we gotta go get a new pair of gloves. Here, try your hand in. Oh, you like those? Mm-hmm. All right, we'll get those. This is for our cooking stove. Well, we got lunch, camping fuel, snacks. I think it's time to go find a campsite. Oh, there's some ducks down in the river. Yeah, we're definitely going duck hunting later on. In the summertime, a lot of tourists come here to fish for salmon or to go to the national park. But once the fall hits, it gets so quiet. This is the ferry terminal. This is how everyone gets their cars and a lot of their big supplies. I can see a whole bunch of Canadian geese right over there across the way. There we go. What is wrong with that? Oh, that is destroyed. My goose call completely fell apart in the bag. That's what I get for buying a cheap goose call. I'm gonna try riding across this sand a little bit. See, this is why we brought the fat bikes. There's a whole bunch of ducks. Oh, I must have said something to offend him. Tell you what, this is a lovely spot. Think you want to camp here, Nate? Yeah, I think Nate's ready to camp. Just got finished setting up the tent and I heard some Canadian geese just over here. I brought some absolute artillery shells. These are 3.5-inch double Bs. Oh, just jumped 2 mallards off this river. Over here in the grass. Nathan, quick. Oh, here comes some Canadian geese. Well, I've already shot twice and missed twice, so I'm on a hot streak. All right. Well, it is cold and I've got a hungry little boy. I think it's time to get some dinner made. You'll hop into your bag, get warmed up. You got it? I have this little tripod I use to prop my camera up so I can film, and the leg fell off somewhere. Oh, that is going to make filming very challenging. I'm going to try sticking my camera in Nathan's boot. Look at that big moon that's rising up over the horizon. Even though it's bitterly cold, it's still gorgeous. Do not spill it in the tent. You got that? That is hard to beat, isn't that? That is so good. Oh, it is so cold out here. Everything's icing up. Look at all the frost on this bag. Weather forecast said the low was going to be in the 30s. I don't think that was the truth. Would you like a hot water bottle? Yes. Well, I think it's time to get into this bed. It's cold. Oh, yeah. Hey, bud, are you warm?
Yeah.
You want to watch a movie or something?
Yeah.
We got chocolate-covered hazelnuts we're going to eat while we watch a movie. No, no. Well, the sun's about to rise and I'm gonna go do some duck hunting. But oh, it is so cold. Everything is covered in frost. Look at my bicycle. Oh, look at that. All right, Nathan, I'll be back. All right, guys, the sun's just barely popping up and I'm gonna sneak over to this river that's right by the tent. We saw a bunch of ducks there yesterday and I bet they're gonna be back if I'm really quiet. There we go. That's a beautiful female mallard duck right there. Hey, Nathan. Nathan, look what I got.
You got a duck? Nice.
Look at that. Oh, look at this. I did a time lapse last night. This is what my GoPro looks like now. All right, I gotta go ahead and clean this away from the campsite. This bird is just covered in ice. There we go, 2 beautiful duck breasts. The meat is this dark red color because there's so little fat in it. Duck has about 25% of the fat of domesticated chickens. As a general rule, wild meat has much less fat and is much lower in cholesterol than domestic meat. Well, these will go really well with dinner tonight. Well, we survived the night, we shot a duck, now it's time to make some breakfast. Nathan, you want chocolate chip pancakes? Another reason you heat up the water bottles and put them in your sleeping bag is because if you don't, all your water will be ice in the morning. It's a big pain in the butt to melt ice once it forms in a plastic bottle. Well, since my tripod broke, I have to lean my selfie stick up against this bench, or I hold it between my legs. It's always a challenge, isn't it? Yeah, sure. There we go. Nathan, you like this? You get breakfast in bed and get to watch some cartoons? Wait, hey Nathan, you got some chocolate on your hand there. Wait, that's chocolate, right? Tell me it's chocolate. Tell me it's chocolate. Tell me it's chocolate, Nathan. Well, now that we got food in us, I think we should get the bikes ready and go and explore the area a little bit more. And among other things, I hear that there's a large plane crash site nearby, and I want to do a little hiking and see if we can't find it. Come on, let's go do some exploring. Me and Nathan realized our butts are a little bit more sore than we thought. Yeah, pedal standing up. It's just do that for a while. Peaches, 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 peaches. You guys have a good day? Oh yeah. Your principal flagged me down and asked me to speak at career day. You think I should do that?
100%. Yeah, 100%.
All right. We met those high school kids and their principal while eating at the Fox's Den yesterday. The principal talked me into doing a career day Zoom meeting, so we're gonna do that here in a few weeks. All right, we're gonna swing by the store and pick up some supplies. Not having my tripod is driving me crazy, so I am determined to try to jerry-rig something. Let's see. Got a 1/4" 20 3/4 bolt. There we go. Oh, hello. Okay, now I need a plastic lid. Ooh. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna build my tripod. Drill the hole with this thing. We got a tripod again. The tripod works. Doing good back there? Good. Do you see a trail? All right, we're gonna do a little hike through the rainforest. Gustavus is at the top of the Alaskan Panhandle, and this whole part of Alaska is temperate rainforest. Look at this, everything just gets covered in moss.
To the ground. It goes back. It's a little bench.
Oh, look at this. It's a piece of the airplane. That's like a piece of some rubber right there. Well, let's see if we can find the rest of the plane. That's crazy. Look at all the wires in here. I think that's the part of the engine right there. Here's one of the tires. There you go, there's another chunk of engine right there. This is the wreckage of a DC-3. It's a passenger cargo plane. It crashed in 1957 while it was trying to take off from the Gustavus airport. It's a pretty good sized twin engine plane. This DC-3 was used by the US military. You can see where it says Air National Guard across the top. Oh.
You think I should actually walk fast?
Yeah. Just watch out for the sharp bits. Look at this.
I don't think this plane went down. Maybe the pipe.
You can see the Air Force symbol really good over here. It says Pennsylvania Air National Guard right there across the top. You hungry, Nathan? I think that means we need to get going and go get some lunch. Well, I've got a little boy whose bottom needs a bench and his stomach needs a burger.
I'm so hungry.
There you go. Hey. Oh, look at this, Nathan. Oh, your bottom. This is just a really warm and friendly community. So much so, in fact, we just got invited to a Halloween party.
But someone wants to...
There you go. Oh, marshmallow, here.
Hey, so probably that one. That's scolded. Stop that stomach rumbling. The child will hear you. Gabe was definitely not gone.
You liking that s'more? Good. We better get you to bed though, okay? All right. All right. You snuggle in my bag while I go and get everything warmed up, okay? There we go. My tripod. Okay. It was a bit cold last night and I want Nathan to go camping with me again, so I gotta take care of him. So I am pulling out all the stops. I've got a ton of hand warmers here. We're gonna put them in this cloth bag here. There you go.
Ready? For some reason.
Oh, there's some ice in my water. Okay, it's time for some dinner. How about some cranberry couscous and duck? Got dried cranberries and couscous. Whoa, there's an earthquake going on right now. That must have been a pretty good one. First I thought I was just getting a little dizzy, but then I was like, nope, nope, the ground is shaking. Yeah, that's Alaska for you. Oh, these duck breasts smell so good. Cranberry couscous and mallard duck breast. Nice. Hey Nathan, do you want some duck?
Yeah.
Here. Fresh duck is so good. That was so good. That duck breast was better than any steak I've ever eaten. That was so good. Oh man, that tasted fabulous. Need to go do the dishes now. How you doing, Nathan? Are you warm?
Huh?
Well, it's late and it's cold. I'm gonna get in my sleeping bag and I will see you guys in the morning. Well, good morning. It's a lot warmer this morning. Notice that there isn't frost on everything. We had clouds come in last night and that keeps it from getting bitterly cold. The coldest days are always the clear ones. But I've got to hurry up and get some breakfast going. We're gonna fly into the national park this morning.
What? And then
Oh, my bottom's sore. The ducks and geese must have known we're leaving because they're just all over our campsite right now. Me and Nathan are headed to the airport and we're leaving Gustavus, but we're not going straight back to Juneau. A charter plane's gonna pick us up and we're gonna take a sightseeing tour through Glacier Bay National Park, which is supposed to be one of the most gorgeous national parks in the country. Okay, it was touch and go, but it looks like the pilot's gonna get our bikes onto that little Cessna. I'm impressed.
You want to go in first?
This old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
Well guys, we had a great time and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more videos from the Outdoor Boys YouTube channel, make sure to click subscribe. I'll see you next video. If you like this video, don't forget to check out the Outdoor Boys YouTube channel where we have hundreds of videos just like this. And don't forget to click subscribe so you can see other great videos every Saturday morning. And hit that bell button so you'll get notifications. Thanks for watching.